The best way to make money online by far is affiliate marketing. What is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is where you're promoting other companies' products. They give you a special link. You take that link and you promote it. Whether you promote it on Facebook, any social media you like, Pinterest, any of that stuff. You take that link, then when somebody buys something, voila, commission. And remember, you ain't making money unless you're making it while you're sleeping, which turns into passive income. But first, you want to learn the craft, learn the skills, so you can quit that 9-to-5 job and you can get your time and your financial future back on track. Because there's nothing worse than having your time sucked out of life when you're working that 9-to-5 job. And if it's your dream to start your online business, there's no better time, because there's nothing better, there's no better way to make money online than affiliate marketing. You can try the rest, you can try drop shipping and all that stuff, but affiliate marketing is probably the best and the easiest to get started in, because you ain't got no customer service to deal with. You're not dealing with returns, and you're not having to keep up with products and to ship them out. Once you get that link, once you get it promoted, once somebody buys something, then you get a commission. But you're probably asking yourself, okay, that sounds easy, but it's not hard, but it's not too difficult, but it's not that easy. I know you're probably scrolling through and you see all these people saying, hey, $10,000 in a month, $1,000 a day. Well, first of all, when you see them, keep scrolling, because that's just a false promise. I mean, you can make that kind of money, but first you need to learn the skills. You need to learn how to build a funnel. Doesn't matter if you're using ClickFunnels or System.io or any of these other ones. You need to know how to do it. You need to know how to do your emails, craft emails, how to send them, how to do your campaigns. I know you're probably thinking, man, that sounds like a lot to learn. It's really not, especially when you get a trainer and a mentor and an advisor that's going to help you along the way. You can do it. You're probably thinking, well, I got a 9-to-5 job. Well, everybody has had a 9-to-5 job. That's how you think everybody gets started. You got to start somewhere, and most people are working, unless you're a stay-home mom and you're looking to a way to make extra money. This is a good opportunity. It's perfect, especially for those stay-home moms, or just somebody who wants to make an extra $1,000, $2,000, with minimum time and effort. This is great. Affiliate marketing is by far probably one of the quickest and easiest you're going to learn. But you need to know how to build a funnel. You need to know how to do your campaign. And I'm not talking about, somebody giving you a link and they say, hey, go put this link and you can copy my exact formula. Well, the only people making money doing that is the people that you're copying, because they're getting a commission off your monthly subscription to whatever it is you're doing. They're the only ones making money. They tell you, oh, take this link, put it in your, say, ClickFunnels, and just change, and put your links there where my links are at. Well, like I said, they're the ones making the money, but they haven't taught you anything. They haven't showed you how to build that funnel, or, what comes after that. How do I get my campaign set up? They're not showing you all that stuff. So just keep that in mind when you start going through these courses, or you're thinking about a course, or you're reading reviews and they tell you, oh yeah, they teach you just enough, but not everything you need. And that's where the problem is. You want somebody who's where you're gonna take something where you got an advisor and someone who's in a trainer who's going to show you how to do these things, they're not going to waste your time by saying, hey, do this, just do it on your own and let me know how it is. They're going to show you everything they've learned, because you're going to learn from people who's been doing this and who's making 6 and 7 figures and has been making 6 and 7 figures. So all the mistakes they made, you're not going to have to make them, because you're going to learn from their experience. And that is going to save you time and money. That's going to get you up and running and at a decent time. So you don't have to worry about all that trial and error, because they're going to tell you, hey, that works, that doesn't. Change this, change that, and you'll start seeing results. But that is what you're looking for. So if you're thinking about a course, or you're in a course and they're not giving you resources like, hey, maybe read this book or do this to help you learn to write better. Because believe it or not, you can always go to Fiverr and maybe buy some emails, campaign that's already set up. You just kind of change some stuff around, but you'll probably spend more time modifying them than it would be than doing anything else. But that is an option. Some people do it, some people don't. But just kind of keep that in mind when you're going through these courses, or you're thinking about a course and you're scrolling through TikTok or YouTube and you're and something sounds too good to be true, then it probably is. We're not going to give you something that's just cut and paste. We're going to show you how to do that, because that's what you need to know. We're not going to shortcut it. We're not going to say, hey, just copy this, do this. We're going to show you, give you the training, and make sure you understand, because that's what you need. And maybe if you're a college student, I get a lot of emails and stuff now, especially with college being so expensive, from college kids that are in there and they got student loan, and they're like, I'm not sure what I'm doing in college is going to be enough to get me through. I don't know if I'm going to make enough money in the field that I choose in order to make it and deal with all this loan debt. So, that's another issue. If you're in college and you're thinking, man, I need to make some money, or maybe you're in college and you want to do affiliate marketing to help with school, that's another way also you could do it. But a 4-year degree, get that piece of paper, right now it costs a lot. And, once you get this affiliate marketing stuff down, who's to say you really need a 4-year degree? You'd be making just as much sitting in your living room, and that you would be going to a 9-to-5 job, because a lot of people who are working 9 to 5 are doing affiliate marketing to quit their 9-to-5 job. So that in itself is is great, because remember, you're going to get your time and you're going to get your financial future back. But if you think affiliate marketing is what you want to do, or you're thinking about starting an online business, and maybe you got a hobby or a dream of starting your online business, but you don't know where to start, hey, just either check out the description, and so we can get started today, and I'll see you next week.